Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to upload picture in Pinterest. So first is you have to open your Pinterest and make sure you have logged in to your account. So just open your Pinterest on your mobile phone, and then right here at the bottom center, you will then just have to click on this plus icon and then just click on the pin, and then you'd be directed to your gallery. Now you just have to select the image that you want to upload and then click on the next button at the top right corner of your screen. And then right here, you can type out your title. And below the title, you can type out right here your hashtag. So when you click on it, you'd be able to see here the different hashtags that you can actually use. You can search for a specific hashtag. Then once you found it, just have to click on it. And below the hashtag, you have here the links. So if you have different social media accounts, you can paste here the links. And when people click on it, you'd be directed to your profile. Now, right here, you have also the tag topics. So when you clicked on it, you'd be able to tag related topics to reach people interested in pins like yours. So people won't see your tag topics. Now you just have to click on the search topics, and then now you can start searching for related topics. For example, house or houses. And if you found the related topics to your post, then you can simply click on it because you can add multiple topics to your post. And once you're done, you just have to click on the done button at the top right hand corner of your screen. Now you can also go to the advanced settings. Just click on the advanced settings option, and right here you can toggle the switch on if you want the comments to be allowed in your post, or you can also show similar products. You can toggle the switch on or off, so it depends on you. Now let's go back here. So now that you have finalized your posts, your titles, your hashtag, your tag topics, you can now click on the create button at the bottom right corner of your screen to upload your pictures on Pinterest. And that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.